Greetings friends, today I'm in the workshop of Welping. We are going to operate an automatic butt welding machine today, and here is the brief introduction to this machine. In front of me is the frame part of this automatic machine. It contains the 4 rings and the hydraulic cylinders and these auto jumper heaters. And this part is the automatic control panel with the control system integrated to the electric control and the hydraulic control. And this is the trimmer. In the following procedures, I will demonstrate how to operate this machine.